Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. You guys, I am so excited about this video. It came out super cute. This is the first time that I made labels using my Xyron machine. You guys, I love the way they came out. It was very easy, very simple. But the templates that I came up with is for some pop rocks. Look at it, you guys. It's so cute. And the A-list unicorn rock. The Pop Rocks is inside of it. Oh my gosh, super, super cute, super easy. As well as these, the Mentos label as well. You guys, I love it. And this is not with regular paper. I use HP brochure paper because you guys know I have an HP printer. So that is what I used, the paper I used. So they are, glossy. It's not, y'all, it's not flimsy. It's very sturdy. These are adorable. These are freaking adorable. These are freaking cute. Um, Love it. The template to these will be on my Patreon page. I will leave that down in the comments, the link for that. These are adorable. These are freaking adorable, and it was so easy with this Xyron machine. Please, I advise, if you do templates, if you do custom labels, you definitely need one. I cannot thank you guys enough that referred this to me. Oh my gosh, y'all, it is a blessing. But if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.